Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to the Luxury Kingdom. Before we start, hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. We all know about luxury homes and they are pretty much better in many aspects, but the rich people are advancing a lot day by day, which makes them bringing up new things for themselves. These things are beyond the expectations of middle class people or any other person living on this planet. Well, in this video, we will be going on a tour of a luxury motorhome. Yes, you have heard it right. It is a luxury motorhome which has a lot of magnificent features which you could get. First of all, let's have a look at the price of this luxury motorhome. Many people would be astonished after knowing the price of this motorhome, as it costs a total of $2 million or even more than that. Why is it known to be luxurious is just because of its features, which makes it way too magnificent than luxurious homes. It comes with parking for the supercars, which means that you can take your cars with you anywhere you want. This is all possible because of the central garage design which it has. Exterior. Now we would be having a look at the exterior of this luxurious motorhome. This motorhome is made of silver color present at its exterior. Along with that, it also has lots of logos of the company present on the body, which gives it a more decent look. Many people love the silver color which it has in its exterior. The side mirrors which it has are oversized just to help the drivers to have a look at a wider angle, which would be helping them to prevent the accidents. It also has massive windshield, which makes it look even more prettier. The side mirrors of this motorhome are having cameras which are attached to the same. There are 2 cameras at the side mirrors, which means each side mirror holds 1 camera. Along with that, you would be able to find out 1 additional camera which is present at the center of the windshield. There are some more cameras which are present at the sides of this luxurious motorhome. It means that now you would be able to have a whole 360-degree view from the inside of the motorhome. Many people won't be knowing that this is the Performer S model, which is way too powerful than the other models. It also has a 10K generator. Center garage. Let us now have a look at the center garage which this luxurious motorhome has. This is typically one of the most unique things which you will be able to have in the luxurious motorhome. You will be able to have your cars or the supercars parked in the motorhome right at the center, which makes it look even more fabulous. It also has a super easy mechanism which allows you to park your vehicles without any difficulties. The parking has a steel floor plate in which you just have to drive your vehicle. Then it all just goes through the controls of the driver. The steel floor plate then just goes under the motorhome, ensuring that the car goes in safe and gets no scratches or anything like that. Many people would be thinking that how the mechanism of the motorhome allows the same to happen. This luxurious motorhome is having a massive hydraulic mechanism which is helpful in making the same possible. These hydraulics lift up the motorhome, which makes it easier for the car to get inside the same. After that, the steel floor plates of the center garage gets out of the same, allowing the person to drive his vehicle correctly on the floor plate. Then the steel floor plate pushes itself inside the garage and the motorhome gets pushed down by the hydraulics. Thus, this is the entire mechanism upon which the motorhome works. But the services of the garage doesn't end right here. If we have a look at the upper part of the same, we would be able to have a look at the awning cloth which the motorhome has. So, this would even be a cover for our vehicles to be parked under the center garage. Interior. Now it is time to have a look at the interior of the vehicle. This motorhome has a nice cockpit, which is typically having a huge space in it. It is having a nice welcoming space, and even people with huge heights would be easily able to find lots of space in here. If the driver wants to get asleep, then there are some sensors which automatically black out the windshields and also the curtains just to provide some shade to the driver. Moreover, the seats also have one additional feature, which is that you would be able to get a massage through a remote control. You can also adjust these chairs easily and turn them to the other sides. Many of the people are working, so this is definitely a helpful feature for them. They would be able to have this table which automatically opens with the help of a button. Then you would be able to have your desktop screen and connect the same with your mouse and keyboard and start working without any issues. The best thing which people love about the same is its huge seating area, which is pretty huge. It also has a motorized TV where you would be able to watch a bunch of things which you like. In all, there are loads of features which you will be able to experience while having a tour of this luxurious motorhome. That is all that we had to have a look at in today's video. If you like this kind of content and want to stay updated with the same in the future, then press the subscribe button and the bell icon to all so that you never miss any of our updates.